Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can activate two WhatsApp applications on your TCL 40SE. So I'm gonna show you the two methods for that. The first one, open the Google Play Store, then look for the WhatsApp, but not for the normal WhatsApp app, look for the WhatsApp Business. Install that one, and by this quick way we have a two WhatsApp application on one phone. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download the Dual Space app. Just type the dual space and look for the app for you. I'm using the two accounts, and now we have to decide that we want to get notifications. I do need to, and agree the terms. Allow permissions, and now just tap on the WhatsApp to start the process of creating the next WhatsApp application or phone. And that's it. This is how it works. Thanks for the watching. Leave us a subscribe, recommend, and goodbye.